A bird did?
Yeah, it was a stork.
Oh, I see a wing flopping up on the other side.
God, Ethan, I'm gonna cry.
Check this out. Big fishing trawler over here. I don't know what he's doing. He's going straight for those pilings. Yeah, they're just tied up to it. First stop, taking Jetty for some exercise. Go ahead, Jets. Land ho. Had some breakfast and now we're going to the thank you. Whoa, something's going on.
My God, a bird just in.
A bird did?
Yeah, it was a stork.
Oh, I see a wing flopping up on the other side.
God, Ethan, I'm gonna cry. I just saw a bird got eaten.
What kind of bird was it?
A stork. He literally just got chomped on.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, poor guy.
Holy crap.
Oh, that's so sad. I can't watch.
That's insane.
Oh my, so sad. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, we gotta go. Oh. It's not live.
It's kind of cool. Where is that?
I don't know,
Oh, it's probably
right there.
It's probably there. Here. We're just leaving the Alligator Zoological Park, and it was pretty cool. We saw an alligator eat a bird.
It was very sad.
Yeah, it was sad. Cool to check out. We'd probably rather see that type of stuff in the wild for us, but still cool. If you guys like alligators and stuff like that, recommend it. All right, back to the boat. St. Augustine Lighthouse in the background right here. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to climb up it today. Just not enough time and too much to do, but we saw it. This is one of our paddleboarding friends that we ran into here in St. Augustine when we were going back to the little boat, and his son, they're wakeboarding behind a jet ski. Yeah! Nice, man! Woo! Hey, chill. Here we come, downtown St. Augustine. Hopefully we beat this rain. We got a jetty cam on Jetty. all tied up at the St. Augustine City Marina. It's not free for your dinghy. It costs $12 a day, but you get showers and bathrooms and internet and everything. So, not too bad.
Oh, look at the skull.
They're all hanging out.
Because there's a pipe.
Oh, fresh water?
Look, there's baby. Right there.
Oh, wow.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
Open cars.
Whoa.
We are going to the Fountain of Youth.
The rain let up a little bit, so we brought Jody back to the boat real quick and left her there to hang out.
She's allowed to come, but she was tired.
Ah. Huh. Is that it? We get to drink from it? And then we live forever? Alright, so we just fill it up
Yeah.
and then drink it?
Yes, sir. Where y'all in from?
We live in Jupiter.
You're out in the farm.
On Faye.
Yeah. Yep.
How's it taste?
Like I'm gonna live forever.
So you gonna taste magnesium.
Is it? I can't remember how it's supposed to like things to come on field trips. And it usually smells like rotten eggs. It's not snow.
Cheers.
Hey, do you guys want to stand on the side of the thing and I'll take your picture? Whole fountain.
Hey, Christina,
Yes.
you may want to wait.
Is that a male or a female? Look at those feathers. Holy smokes. What's the bilge for? There's the boat yard. What you doing over here? How's it going?
The line's not long enough. I don't think that's what it's supposed
It
to.
is, that's right. But this goes here. Oh, so this shows how this is just one block and it's heavy, and then you go to, I don't know how to say it, 2 blocks and it gets lighter, and then you go to 3 or 4. Yeah, ratio 4 to 1. That's the chalupa. We should make that our dinghy.
The reason for the boats.
Yeah, you can row it or sail it. This is a chalupa or a longboat, or they modeled the longboat after it or something like that. And this is what they use as like their tender on the big ships. They even used it as, when they started whaling, they used it as a chase boat when they were whaling. All right, we're about to leave. There is Neverland way over there. And then over on this side, we got the big cross. This is where we came from, Fountain of Youth. And there's Sierra. You think Ponce de Leon had one of those? They like to stay dry, huh?
Can I see your feathers? Probably because their feathers get so heavy when they're wet.
All right, we're leaving this guy now, heading back to the boat. Still raining. Are they really white? Is it albino? Whoa, they're peacocks, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't know peacocks would come in white.